Hello everyone. So in this video we will learn how to automatically add registrant to your Zoom webinar when a payment is made in Razorpay. So let us begin with a small example. So as you can see, this is a checkout page I have built in Razorpay. So the idea is that once this checkout page is complete, when the payment is made, the person will be added as a registrant in this particular webinar. The webinar is full body yoga. So let us do the experiment. So we have a person called as Lijam O'Reilly. The first name is Lijam, the last name is O'Reilly, this is the email and this is the phone number. And he is going to pay 1300. Let me just click on pay 1300. So these are the card details of Lijam O'Reilly. He is just going to enter his CVV and then he's going to make a payment. Skip saving card and success. Okay, so as you can see, a payment of 1300 has been made by a person called as Lijam O'Reilly. So the idea is that Lijam O'Reilly will be added as a registrant to a webinar. So let me just straight away take you to that webinar. So this is the webinar Full Body Yoga. So let me just scroll down, okay. And as you can see, there is only one registrant. So let's have a look. Who is that registrant? Nope. The data of Lijam O'Reilly hasn't arrived. So let me just refresh this. Okay, so let's have a look. Okay, so as you can see, we do have Lijam O'Reilly as a registrant. So you're obviously thinking, how did I do it? How did I manage to send the data from Razorpay to Zoom? So here I have used an integration and automation software called as Pabbly Connect that integrates Razorpay and Zoom. Now the best part of using Pabbly Connect is there is no need for coding skills or programming knowledge. So let us begin. So basically in the new tab, just type pabbly.com. pabbly.com, pabbly.com, press enter. So this is the website of pabbly.com. Just hover on products and here you will find connect. Just click on connect. Okay, so this is the landing page of Pabbly Connect. All you have to do is just click on sign up for free and it will just take 2 minutes to build your account. In my case, I have already created an account. So let me just click on sign in. Okay, so this is the opening page of Pabbly Connect. Let me just scroll down and just click on access now. Okay, so at the top right corner, you will find a button, create workflow. Click this. A dialog box appears in front of you. It is asking you to give a name to this workflow. I'm going to give it as Razorpay to Zoom. And just simply click on create. So when you click on create, you will find two windows, the trigger window as well as the action window. So what's the deal with trigger window as well as the action window? So when you are talking about automation in Pabbly Connect, it works on the principle of triggers and action. Okay, so trigger here basically means the if statement. It asks a question, if this happens, then what should be done? For example, if a new payment is made in Razorpay, then what action should be taken? Now the action is basically a new registrant will be added in Zoom. So here Razorpay will come and here in the action Zoom will come. Now, there is something I have to tell you. Using these two workflows, using these two windows, we are going to create a new workflow to integrate Razorpay to Zoom. Now, also, I have to mention this. After I have built this workflow, I will make sure the link of this workflow is available in the description box so that you can clone it and directly access it into your account so that you can begin your automation journey right now. Okay, so let us have a look in the trigger window. So in the choose app, I'm going to select it as Razorpay. Razorpay it is. Now in the trigger event, how about we make it as payment captured? Okay, so payment captured is a trigger event. We do have a ton of trigger events, but in case if you want more trigger events, just approach the help section. So when you click on the help section, you will be directed to Pabbly forums. And in Pabbly forums, you can make a request that you want so and so trigger events. Okay, so let me just cancel this. So basically the gist is whenever a new payment is made in Razorpay, Pabbly Connect has to capture the data. So we actually have to follow these all steps to integrate Razorpay to Pabbly Connect. So first step is you actually have to go to Razorpay dashboard, okay, and then you have to go to settings and then just click on webhooks. Let me show you. So this is the dashboard of Razorpay, okay, and the next step is you actually have to go to settings. So as you can see, in my case, I have already made 5 webhooks. So these are all the webhooks. Now, in case of accounts like Razorpay, you actually can only work with 5 webhooks at a time, especially if it's a trial account or working with a test account. So I have to actually delete one of the webhooks. Okay, so it's just in my end. Okay, so you don't have to do anything. So I've deleted one webhook. Okay, so we are going to create a new webhook. So let me just click on add new webhook. You click here. Okay, now what's the next step? So we have to set up the webhook. Okay, so that is why we have to enter the webhook URL. So here we have to enter the webhook URL, and this is how you get the webhook URL. You simply copy this and you just paste it here. Okay, so that's the webhook URL. The secret will remain empty. In case of the alert email, it's basically the same email with which you have signed in to your Razorpay account. Now comes the most important part, the active events. In case of active events, it is mentioning that you have to select payment captured. So what we're going to do here is we are just going to make sure that it is payment captured. Okay, easy. Just click on create webhook. Okay, so it is showing a new webhook has been created. So this is the newly created webhook. Excellent. So what's next? So essentially we have integrated Razorpay to Pabbly Connect. This means anytime a new payment is made in Razorpay, Pabbly Connect will capture the data. So what we are going to do here is we are going to conduct an experiment. So let me just have a look at the payment pages. Okay, and this is the one that I'm interested in. There are a ton of payment pages, but I'm interested in this particular one, online courses. And this is the associated page URL. I'm just going to copy this and I'm going to open this in a new tab. Okay, so the idea is that we are going to fill the details as a dummy customer. Now, once the detail is filled, Pabbly Connect will capture the data because Pabbly Connect is integrated with Razorpay. So it is showing it is waiting for the data. So let's not wait. Let's fill in some details. So we have a guy called as Jerry Maguire. Okay, the first name is Jerry, the last name is Maguire, and this is basically his phone number. Okay, and he's willing to pay 1300. So these are the card details of Jerry Maguire, and he's just going to click on pay, skip saving card, and success. Okay, so a payment of 1300 has been made by Jerry Maguire. Now, since Pabbly Connect is integrated with Razorpay, let's have a look whether Pabbly Connect has captured this data or not. Yes, we do have the details. So we have a person called as Jerry Maguire. Okay, so these are the card details. We are not really interested in that. Okay, so this is the email, this is the phone number, this is the first name, this is the last name, and the rest of the details. So we have got all the details. Excellent. Now using these details, we are going to create a registrant in Zoom. And this is how you do it. So you first include action window, and in the action window you choose the app as Zoom because we want to create a Zoom webinar registrant. In the action event, let me just scroll down and let me just click on add a webinar registrant. Simply just click on connect and just go with the add new connection and connect with Zoom. Okay, so it is showing the authorization is successful. So by default, it is showing some fields. The purpose of these fields is very simple. We are going to create a new registrant in Zoom from the data that we have received from Razorpay via Pabbly Connect. So we have the first field, that is webinar. So these are all the webinars that is present in my Zoom account. So as you can see, let me just straight away take you to the webinars. Okay, let me just take you to my webinars. So these are all the webinars that is present in my Zoom account. All the webinars that is present here is being simply reflected here. Now I have an idea. How about I create a new webinar? Okay, so let me just schedule a webinar. Now before I schedule a webinar, there is something you should know. Now this is something you should know from the Zoom end. If you are an active webinar user of Zoom, you already might know this. So before you create a webinar in Zoom, you should always make sure that the user is always, let me just show you. So in case I have the webinar license from this account, so I'm just going to click this, okay, and simply just click on edit. Make sure that always the webinar is checked in. Okay, so this box has to be checked in. Okay, I hope it is clear. Okay, so let me just go to the webinars and we are going to create a new webinar. So let me just schedule a webinar. And this webinar is on Hatha Yoga. Okay, Hatha Yoga, and it is scheduled on 29th of June from 2 p.m. and the duration is of 1 hour. And let me just click on required. Okay, so let me just click on schedule. So we have a new webinar called as Hatha Yoga. So what I'm going to do here is I'm just going to click on refresh. So when I click on refresh, I can expect to find this newly created webinar in the drop down. So let me just refresh this. So yeah, Hatha Yoga it is. Okay, so we have selected the webinar. Okay, so now comes the easy part. We basically map all the details one by one. So we have the first field, that is email address. So we click here, and remember this is the data that we want. Okay, Jerry Maguire. Okay, so this is basically the detail that we want. So we are going to map this particular detail here. So let me just click here, and Jerry Maguire, Jerry Maguire, Jerry Maguire. Okay, so this is the one we want, Jerry Maguire, and we have mapped it. Then we have the first name. So I think the first name was Jerry, yes, Jerry. And then we have the last name. Okay, let's map that also. So this process is called as mapping. You just basically enter all the details one by one that we have received from Razorpay, and this is basically the phone number. Okay, we have mapped it. So at this point, all you have to do is just click on save and send test request to send the data to Zoom to create a registrant in a particular webinar. Okay, so as you can see, the response is a positive one. So let's have a look. Do we have a registrant? So let me just go there. Okay, so this is the newly created one, and let me just refresh this. Do we have registrant? Okay, so let's have a look. Yes, Jerry Maguire. So Jerry Maguire has been registered for Hatha Yoga. He will be attending the Hatha Yoga webinar. Excellent. So the presence of this registrant indicates we have a successful integration between Razorpay and Zoom. Now before you leave, let me just explain you the whole mechanism in a nutshell. So let me just minimize this action window, and let me just minimize the trigger window. So basically this is the whole process in a nutshell. First you integrated Razorpay to Pabbly Connect, and then you have integrated Pabbly Connect to Zoom. So now there's a perfect flow of data between Razorpay and Zoom. You can directly access the Pabbly Connect and workflow from the links that I have added in the description box. For any queries, contact us at admin@pabbly.com. And also, if you found this video helpful, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.